This is Sophie, our golden doodle, and she's sitting on this new FURTIME Large Dog Bed that is 35 by 23 inch in size, and we're using it right here in our kitchen on the hardwood floors. Sophie is 13 years old now, and so I like to keep comfy dog beds around the house for her little aging body, and she truly loves curling up on them in every room. Jim is unboxing this one, and the first thing you notice is the super soft faux fur on top, warm, fluffy, and really cozy. Inside, it's filled with a shredded chopped foam blend, so it has that cushioned feel while still giving her support every time she's lounging. There's Dolly as well. She's checking it out. I also love the practical details. It has a removable washable cushion, so keeping it clean is simple, and the non-slip bottom, well, that helps it stay put on the hardwood floors instead of sliding all over the place. Quick note, let it expand for 24 to 48 hours after opening. Consistency is my standard, and this is such a sweet, cozy spot for Sophie. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my work.